Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you about the decimal number. First, expanded form of the decimal number, short form of the decimal number, and compare the decimal number. So let's start. Exercise 1.4, page number 91. How to expand the decimal number? Suppose the number 2.57. This is the decimal number. And how we can expand it? Before the decimal, that is a whole number. And already you know, already you are aware with the whole number that how we can expand. Okay, 2. So 2 on the ones place. So what is 2? After the decimal, that after 2, there is decimal. And then on the 10th place 5. So 5 upon 10. Why 5 upon 10? Because of this is a fractional part. 0.57, that is a fractional part, that is, and 5 on the 10th place, that is why 5 upon 10. Then 7 on 100th place, that is why 7 upon 100. Okay, this is the expanded form of this decimal number. Another one more example. Suppose the number is 351.90. So how we can expand this decimal number? First, before the decimal, that is a whole part. Okay. So how we can expand this number? 300 plus 50 plus 1. Okay. Just after, there is a decimal. And after the decimal, 9. 9 on the 10th place, that is why 9 upon 10. And then after 9 there is 0. So 0 upon 100. Okay. So this time we can expand the decimal number. First question number A. Question number A. Expanded form. Write the expanded form. First one, 0.58. Before the decimal there is a 0. So no need to write the 0. Then decimal. Then after 5 upon 10. So 5 upon 10 plus 8 upon 100. Okay. So this is the decimal expanded form of this decimal number. Second question, 0.909. 909. Before decimal, again 0. No need to write about this. Then after the decimal there is a 9. So 9 upon 10, 0. After the 9 there is a 0. So 0 upon 100 and then 9 upon 1000. That is the expanded form of this decimal number. Third, 15.365. First, the expanded form of this 15, 10 plus 5, then plus 3 upon 10, 6 upon 100 and 5 upon 1000. Because of 3 on the 10th place, that is why 3 upon 10, 6 on 100th place, 6 upon 100 and 5 on 1000th place. That is why 5 upon 1000. So just like we can expand the any decimal number. So other two are the homework question. Now the question number B. Question number B, just opposite of the question number A. In the question number B, that is given already expanded form and we have to write in the short form. Question number 1. 600 plus 10 plus 2 plus 6 upon 10 plus 5 upon 100 plus 3 upon 1000. First this part, this is the whole part and this one is the fractional part and between their decimal. So easily we can find out the whole part and the decimal part. Okay. So first 6, 1, 2. 600 plus 10 plus 2 means 612. Okay. That is the short form of this whole part. Now put the decimal. First number is 6, then 5 and then 3. That is the short form of this expanded decimal number. Another one, 100 plus 8 plus 3 upon 10 plus 9 upon 100 plus 5 upon 1000. Let's see about the whole part. 100 plus 8. There is no other digit on the tens place. 100 on the 100 place and 8 on the ones place. But there is no digit for the tens place. So 1, 0 and 8. Why we put the 0 here? Because of there is no digit for the tens place. Okay. So 100 plus 8. Then we put the decimal 395. 395. Okay. Question number 6. 7 plus 1 upon 100 plus 5 upon 1000. What is the short form of this number? First we see about the whole part. That is a 7. Only 7. Then put the decimal 1. 1 on the, there is written the 100. Means no digit on the 10th place. 1 upon 100 is written there. 100 means on the 100th place. Okay. And no digit on the 10th place. That is why we put here 0. And then 1. Then 5. Okay. This is the short form of this expanded number. Now the question number C. Compare the decimals. How we can compare the decimals? Just like we compare the whole number. Little bit difference between the comparison of the whole number and the decimal numbers. First, how we can compare the decimal numbers. Suppose 2.57. Another number is 2.95. So which one is the bigger among them? Between them, which one is the bigger decimal number? How we can compare? First we compare the whole part. In every decimal number, first we compare the whole part. Whole part means before the decimal. If the whole part is equal, so we compare after the decimal. We compare digit after the decimal. यहाँ पर देखिए आप दोनों नंबर में whole part same है. Here is 2, here is also 2. So we compare the next digit after the decimal. Here is 5, here is 9. So which one is the bigger? 5 or 9? Obviously 9 is a bigger. That is why this number is the bigger than this. So this type we can compare the decimal number. Another other example, suppose 0.921 and 0.925. So which one is the bigger? First whole part 0, whole part 0. Then after 9, 9. अब ये दोनों नंबर भी सेम है तो हम इसके बाद वाले डिजिट को कंपेयर करेंगे. 2, 2. अगर ये भी सेम होती है तो हम उसके नेक्स्ट डिजिट को कंपेयर करेंगे. 1 and 5. So who is the bigger? 1 or 5? Who is bigger? 5. Obviously 5 is a bigger. That is why this number is the bigger than this. Okay. So this type we can compare the decimal number. Question number C. First one 0.28, 0.25, 0.38. Second 0.4, 0.40, then third 0.15, 1.15, fourth 9.099 and 9.99. One more 5.091 and 5.09. Okay, we have to compare the decimal number. First this one, whole part is 0, whole part is 0. Then decimal, decimal. Then here is 2, here is 3. So which one is the bigger, 2 or 3? 3. Obviously 3 is a bigger. That is why this decimal number is bigger than this one. Here is 0.4 and 0.40. In the previous video, I explained that we can add the many zeros at the end of the decimal number. That is why we can add the 0 here. No effect of the decimal number if we add the 0 at last of the decimal number. हम किसी भी decimal number के end में कितने भी 0 add कर सकते हैं. तो जब हमने यहाँ पे 0 add किया तो ये दोनों like fraction हो गए, sorry like decimal हो गए. Like decimal होने पर अब ये दोनों equal हो गए. Now 0.15, 1.15. Whole part is 0, whole part is 1. So that is why this number is bigger. Now whole number, whole part is 9, whole part is 9. Then after the decimal 0 and 9. So 9 is the bigger. 5 and 5. 0, 0. 9, 9. There is no other digit. So we can add the 0 at last, at the end of this decimal number. Now 1 and 0. So which one is the bigger? 1 or 0? Which one? 1 is the bigger. So this number is bigger than this one. Okay. So this time we can compare the decimal number. Now question number D. Question number D. Write the following decimals in ascending order. Ascending order में हमको decimal number को लिखना है. What is the meaning of the ascending number? Ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. First question, 2.28, 8.22, 2.82, 2.33 and 3.22. Okay, 2.28, 8.22, 2.82, 2.33 and 3.22. That is given the some decimal numbers, and we have to arrange the all decimal numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Okay, so first we pick out the smaller number among them. Which one is the smaller? So first we see the whole part in the every decimal number. Here is 2, 8. That is the biggest number. So skip it, because we are finding the smallest number. Then 2, 2 and 3. 3 is also skip it. This number and this number, both numbers, इसको हम last में देखेंगे. We have the 3 numbers. This one and this one. We have to find out the smallest number among them. So whole part सभी में 2 है. हम इसके बाद वाला decimal, इसके बाद वाला digit हम compare करेंगे after the decimal. 2, 8 and 3. So which one is the smaller? 2, 8 and 3. This one is the smaller. So put down the mark there. First number. This one is the second number. And this one is the third number. Okay. Now on the fourth position, this one. Because of यहाँ पर 8 है, यहाँ पे 3 है. So obviously 3 is the smaller than this one. That is why this number will come on the fourth position. And finally on the, this one is the biggest number among them. So ये सबसे बड़ा है, इसलिए सबसे last में जाएगा. So now the ascending order ascending order. First is the 2.28. On the second position 2.33. On the third position 2.82. On the fourth position 3.22. And finally at last 8.22. Okay. So this is the ascending order of the decimal number. Okay. Another one question. Question number 4. In the question number 4, same method we are applying in the question number 4. Question number 4. There are also given some decimal numbers. Which are the decimal number? Was 0.009. Then 0.09. Then 0.999. Then 0.93. And finally 0.99. How many decimal numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 decimal numbers. And we have to find out the smallest number among them. And all the numbers arranged in the ascending order. So first whole part is 0 in every decimal number. In each decimal number. 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. After decimal 0, 0. अब यहाँ पे तीनों नंबर में 9 है तो हम उसको लास्ट में देखेंगे 0 0 देन 0 एंड 9 हम पहले यहाँ देखें तो ये दोनों सेम है तब हम नेक्स्ट प्लेस का डिजिट हम कंपेयर करेंगे यहाँ पर 0 है और यहाँ पे 9 है सो दिस वन इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर एंड दिस वन ऑन द सेकंड पोजीशन अब हम इन तीनों नंबर में से हमको थर्ड पोजीशन पे फाइंड करना है नंबर 0.9 9 एंड 9 फर्स्ट आफ्टर द डेसिमल यहाँ हम देखें तो 10th प्लेस पे 9 है अब हम 100th प्लेस पे देखते हैं 9 3 एंड 9 सो 3 on the third position and 9 on the fourth position, this one on the fifth position. Okay. So now arrange ascending order. First position 0.009, 0.09, 0.93, 0.99 and 0.999. Okay, this is the arrangement of all decimal numbers are arranged in the ascending order. Okay, now other two are in the homework question. Now next question number E. Descending order. Descending order is just opposite of the ascending order. In the descending order, we have to arrange the numbers bigger to smaller. Bigger to smaller. Means first we have to find out the biggest number among the decimal numbers and then going to the decreasing order. Decreasing order means bigger to smaller. Okay. So in the question number E, first one is the 1.01, 1.01, then 1.11, 22.67, 21.20 and 6.22. ओके अब इसमें सबसे पहले हमको बिगेस्ट नंबर फाइंड करना है सो विच वन इज द बिगेस्ट नंबर सो चेक आउट द ऑल होल पार्ट्स इन द डेसिमल नंबर यहाँ पे होल पार्ट 1 1 22 21 and 6 21 is the biggest number among them it will come on the first position then 21 second position then 6 on the third position now and the both number have the same decimal part 1 and 1 after decimal here is 2 here is 1 so 1 is the bigger than this one so this number will come on the fourth position and finally at last this number is the smallest number yes Okay. So arrange them. First 22 descending order. Descending order. First 22.67, then 21.20, 6.22, 1.11 and 1.01. This is the ascending order of the decimal numbers. Another one more question. Question number 6. What is the question number 6? You have to do the practice. Without practice, you cannot solve this type questions. Okay. So you have to do practice 2 question, 4 question, example also. Take the question, try to solve in rough copy. Question number 6, 10.592. Then 9.59, 10.951, 9.509 and last number is 10.501. Okay. This all these numbers, all these decimal numbers also we have to descending order means biggest to smallest. So first we have to find out the biggest number among them. Which one is the biggest? Before decimal, first we check out the all whole parts in the decimal number. Here is 10, 9, 10, 9, 10. We have the 3 numbers, they have the whole part is 10. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. इन तीनों नंबर में होल पार्ट 10 है. तो हम इसका नेक्स्ट नंबर चेक करेंगे. आफ्टर द डेसिमल 5, 9 and 5. So this one is the bigger than another 2. Now after decimal 5, 5. Then 9, 0. So 9 is the bigger. And this one on the third position. Now remaining only 2 decimal numbers. So 9 and 9. Decimal, 5, 5. Then 9 and here is 0. So this one is the bigger than this one. 4 and this one on the 5th position. Okay. So now arrange them. Descending order. Descending order. Descending order. First number is the 10.951. On the second position, 10.592. On the third position, 10.501. On the fourth position, 9.59. And on the fifth position, 9.509. Okay. So this time we have to arrange the decimal numbers in ascending and descending order. Okay. So other all the remaining questions you have to do for the practice. You have to complete them. Okay. So this exercise is finished. Exercise 1.4 is completed. Okay. So thank you.